The basic idea of the additive synthesis is to generate a sound wave by adding harmonic overtones. In principle, every harmonic sound with any timbre can be produced this way. A simple sine wave sounds very dull. When you add more overtones, it will sound brighter. If you add several overtones, it may sound like a pipe organ. The most natural sounds have all overtones with different rates. But constant vibrations are a little boring on the long run. So nature's a little more tricky. It lets fade away the overtones with different speed. The higher overtones fade faster than the root wave. Microtuning is the way to create the typical synthesizer sounds. If you combine two or more waves that are a little bit detuned, the result will be a sound that changes continuously the overtone spectrum by interferences. This leads to a fat, humming sound that is typical for synthesizers. You can add two detuned waves to create a humming sound. And you can combine the detune and fade effect to generate more dynamic. An advanced additive synthesizer has up to 4 independent, detuned oscillators with fading overtone spectrum to create a realistic dynamic. All this complex sound settings can be saved as presets and reloaded ready to play whenever you want it. You need not to set all the overtones manually. You can also automate the setting of the overtones by analyzing natural sounds. You can also analyze a wave file to create an overtone spectrum with one click. You can create a wave by Fourier synthesis with selection rules. For a square wave, select 32 overtones, odd selection, and 1F spectrum. To make it softer, select 8 or 16 instead, 32 overtones. For a saw wave, select all instead, odd overtones. A soft saw will result if you reduce the number of overtones to 8. Back to 16. A little fade away. And detune it. You can find a lot of sound presets on the synth page. All GM sounds are available as AddSynth presets. Hundreds of sounds presets are available in the special libraries. And there are also special derivatives of the GM sounds. If you have invented your own sound, you can save it as preset, favorite, wave sample, MP3 package, wavetable, or sound font. Try it for yourself with the Synthesizer Workstation.